Hi, I'm Kendrick, and we're cooking for love today.
I'm Kathleen Hall, and I'm CEO of the Mindful Living Network. What do we have going on today, Kendrick?
Well, today we have a legit 10-minute meal. I can't believe it.
And if I could wish anything for you guys, I wish you could have little smell things because you're just watching Kendrick. But if you could smell this room right now, go ahead.
It smells great because we've already been cooking a lot this morning, so we've got some great things to share with you. It is January. Everybody's trying to maybe cut a few calories. Yeah. So we've got something that will be low in carbs, but it'll give you great energy and has some antioxidants in it.
Absolutely, loaded with health.
All right. So what we've done to kind of get things going is I have already started to saute some oil, olive oil, and I've got garlic, and I've got salt and pepper, which is just basic, and I've got this on. And so the other thing we're going to do is you can buy a whole container of ready-made zucchini spaghetti, which is nice. It's already cut up. You can buy it just like this to save time. But if you have time, you can get a spiralizer and you know, cut it yourself. So I have got this sauteing.
And I guess we could also, if they wanted to, add some color carrots or anything, right? Could they do that? Or yellow squash too to add a little color?
You could. I'm trying to keep it real simple for you. But absolutely, I think what makes it pretty, doing some diced red peppers.
Ooh,
you could, you could do anything you want to do with it. But I would keep it on the light side because this is taking place of actual pasta spaghetti. So you want to sort of think about that. Now, what I've got is after this gets going, I've got some cut up basil. I also put just a smidgen of curry in it for fun, just because that's what I like to do. And a little bit of sugar to keep it nice and sweet because I'm going to add marinara sauce on it, which it gives a little more acidity. So I'm just going to generously put this in here because I think what's fun is the zucchini is, it's fresh but doesn't have a lot of flavor to it. It's kind of earthy. So I think what's nice is the basil picks it up and gives it some mintiness, which I like. Sometimes the curry might be a little fun, sweet curry though. I would go for kind of sweet. And then
if you don't like curry like my husband.
Oh yeah, coriander.
Don't add it.
Oregano.
This is what I love about this.
French spices.
Yeah, kind of do it to whatever.
Absolutely. So we've got this going, and I've got some of the spices in it. Now what I did was I made a marinara sauce, and it's so beautiful. Now, you can buy ready-made, but if you can just take a few steps, you can make it yourself. You've made it before.
Oh,
you just saute.
But I've also been in a hurry. Yeah. Where Jim and I flew in here at night. Yeah. And he's starving, coming from the hospital, and I just opened a can of organic, delicious marinara and
do it. But if you have time, all you do is saute in oil some. I've got garlic and I've got onion, and then you put some diced tomatoes in, add some oregano, and you're good to go. And again, you can put more spices if you want to. All right, so now we've got this ready. So I'm going to go ahead and show you what this looks like. All you do is put the spaghetti in the bowl, and then for serving, you just add a little marinara on top, and then there you are, and it's fresh. Now I've already, just to show you, if you're entertaining, you can do something like this and make it really pretty and put a little sprig of parsley. But that is it. So we might go ahead and just take it.
Yes, let's try it. Now, I've mentioned this, that you were going to make this today to my daughter and her partner, and they said that even though she likes marinara sauce, Catherine likes mushrooms, and so she does a little mushroom cream sauce.
Absolutely.
And they split this and get it, and they say, I think the calorie count on this particular dish is like 150.
That's
140.
Incredible.
So if you just ate this for one meal a day, you could eat a normal supper if you're on some kind of weight maintenance.
Or do a nice salad with it or something like that. If you can, eat fish, you could do a little fish with it. Isn't that great? I love this dish.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
This is what you got to try it.
We've done some other things before. I don't know about you pasta freaks like I am.
Yeah. So you eat it like pasta. I mean, that's what
absolutely.
It's actually spaghetti, and you get a little. So anyway,
and also the marinara. let me throw in the health benefits of reduction of cancer, the tomato sauce, inflammation. We've got garlic in here. Garlic is amazing, whether you're on a cancer diet, if you're on a cardiovascular disease or diabetes or hypertension. All the ingredients here are exactly what you need. And if you're a vegan, that this is a perfect.
It is.
Oh, we're having some vegans over for dinner, and you go, I'm not going to cook for them. That's what my husband's motto usually is. BYOF, bring your own food. But for this, you could spend what, 10 minutes? This is done in 10 minutes, I mean, like, 10 minutes. You could literally do this and everybody enjoy it and nobody's being robbed of anything.
Yep, you could do pesto sauce too, but I think I love the color with the red and the green. I did oregano I put a lot of oregano in the marinara, and I also put, a little bit in there, and it's really a nice spice.
Oh, it's delicious. So
thank you for coming today. I'm Kendra. We cook for love today. Thank you for being here.
And thank you, dear friend. And I'm Kathleen
Thank
Hall.
you.
Thanks. Join us again. Take care.